Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am the Eating Juggernaut, and I know I didn't make a video yesterday, but I was a little bit busy. Got off of work real late, so but anyways, I haven't forgot about you guys. And today I want to do something a little bit different. One of my personal favorites. I love rolled tacos. And by the way, these are beef rolled tacos. So, and oh yeah, I'm in my room right now, so um, I'm actually standing. It's on the dresser. It's just there's a lot of stuff out in the kitchen table, so um, I think this would work out just fine. But anyways, I also got my cherry 7-Up with Mickey Mouse on it. And that actually tastes extra refreshing right now. And I also got a flour tortilla in here. I always get a flour tortilla because I like to eat it with the rolled tacos because you know, all the toppings and everything that fall off, like the extra guacamole and cheese. I just you know, pick it up with this. So it's a little snack I like. I always like to rip it in half. And then I get both green and red sauce. I put it on. I put both on the rolled tacos. And I'm probably just gonna leave that open with a napkin. Well, this one wants to go too, I guess. And then for the green sauce, you know, I'm gonna give you guys a shot of that. So, yeah, like I said, I love rolled tacos. One of my favorite things to order from a taco shop. So let's go ahead and try it. Now, it might not be as crunchy because it's been sitting for about 20 minutes. I had to get ready, you know, take a quick shower, and then, you know, get everything ready here. So it's probably been sitting for about 20 minutes, but it's still warm. So, but it's just probably not going to be as crunchy because the avocado or the guacamole has been sitting for a little bit, but it's still really good. That's really refreshing. I like that noise. Comment down below if you guys like the noise of ice in a glass cup like that. I know I do. That's what I like to do with the tortilla. Is I like to you know, pick up the extra guacamole or cheese that's fallen off. Mmm.
Hello? Hello?
Yeah? Huh?
Oh.
Oh, I'm making a video.
Oh.
So.
I wanted to share some information with you.
Oh, okay, yeah. I'll be right out after I'm done making the video.
Okay.
Sorry about that, guys. That was my grandpa. But anyways, so look at that one. Mm-mm. So anyways, guys, as you know, I'm back home. But they're actually sending me back out to LA again next week. So it won't be for 2 weeks like it was on this last trip. It'll be for like 4 days. And then after that, they want to send me back out there again the next week for a week. But I'm back home out here for until Sunday night, and then I head on back up there. But I will answer what you guys want to see. A lot of you guys have been wanting to see the excuse me. A lot of you guys have been wanting to see the sub challenge, the 16-inch. So that place isn't open on Sundays. It's only open Monday through Saturday. So I plan on doing that for you guys on Saturday. So stay tuned. I will be doing that challenge for you guys. But other than that, a little bit more about this place. This place is called Gilberto's. I know I said that with a strong accent. Gilberto's. But but yeah, it's a place, taco shop that's been here, geez, for as long as I can remember, probably as long as I've been born, or probably since I've been born, you know, it's probably been there. So at least 25, maybe 30 years. And it's a small taco shop, and it's really good, and that's probably my favorite taco shop in town. And that's where these are from. And their prices aren't bad. For the for the green sauce, for a tortilla and the 5 rolled tacos, it was only like $6. Very good. They do catering and everything like that too. So, more likely than not, you'll probably see me doing another video on this place again because I love this place. I've probably, well, since I moved back over here in November, I've probably eaten there about 7 or 8 times. try the red sauce this time. Not as drippy, but a little bit hotter. Now, another thing I want to share with you guys is, I look like my vlogging video with the mini juggernauts over the weekend was pretty popular with you guys. I'll tell you one thing. To be honest with you, they really had fun doing that. They really wanted to do that for you guys. And we had fun all day. We were probably out for, from about 10:30 in the morning to about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So we made a whole day of it. And you got to, you know, see what our day was like. And we really enjoyed sharing that with you guys. So I might be doing that on the weekends with the kids. Maybe like once a week I'll try and do that for you guys. So like I said, we had fun doing it. We'll try and find different things to do, different places to go. So excuse me. But they really enjoyed it, and they like to think of themselves as the mini juggernauts now too. These rolled tacos are so good. And their hot sauce is really good too. Not too hot, but also it's not like, you know, mild sauce or anything. Now, in my opinion, I would probably grade the red sauce right here. Let's see if I can. Scale of 1 to 10 from how spicy it is. Maybe about a 8. A 10 being those habanero wings for me. But the green right here. Oh, it spilled. The green, I'd probably give it about a 6, maybe. Not too hot. But they're both very good. So rolled taco number 4. Dip it in some of this green sauce. Sorry, guys. Some of that shredded beef got between my teeth. Now I'm scared to smile for you guys. Here's the red sauce. Both sauces are really good. If I had to pick one, which one I like better, I'd probably say the green. Not because the red's too spicy for me, but I just think the green is a little bit more flavorful. This is the last one. Now, I want you guys to tell me, you know, even though you're in, you know, different states or whatever, I just want to know what your guys' favorite taco shop is. Even if I don't have it over here, even if it's a little hole in the wall place that you just like to go to, that has like, you know, 4 chairs in it and like 2 tables. I want to know. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite taco shop is. Because I love taco shops. And I guess this is Rolled Taco Tuesday for me. Also, I want to know, for you football fans out there, I'm a big football fan. You know, being that I'm from San Diego, my team was the Chargers until they decided to move to LA, which isn't going over very well with all the San Diegans over here. So I'm a little bummed out about that. What do you guys think about the Chargers going to LA? Especially my subs that live in California, or Southern California for that matter. What do you guys think? Are you guys happy? You guys mad? Sad? So, I'm kind of bummed out about it. Even though they weren't technically a winning team. You know, I still like them, but I just can't help but feel, you know, it feels like they just turned their back on us. And you know, obviously it's not up to the players, but the owner, Dean Spanos, you know, I kind of feel that he kind of turned his back on the fans. So I'm a little bummed out about it, but you know, I'm going for Green Bay. Green Bay for the Super Bowl. So that was awesome that they beat the Cowboys. I'm not sure how many people will agree with me on that, but I like Green Bay and I like Aaron Rodgers. So let me know, you football fans out there. Let me know what you think about what's going on right now with the game. You know, if your team's winning or losing, or if your team is gonna go. If you think your team's gonna go to the Super Bowl, let me know. Like I said, I like Green Bay, so. Yeah. Oh, I'm getting full. Last bite. Didn't even use all the sauce. Anyways, guys, that concludes this video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. I want to personally thank you guys. I am nearing the 800 subs mark, and I wanted to say thank you to all you guys that have subscribed or watch my videos or support me in any way. I want to say thank you. 1,000 subs is just right around the corner for me. Hopefully I can meet my goal and hit that 1,000 sub mark before the end of the month. That would be great. But like I said, I'm inching towards the 800 sub mark. So thank you. For all you newcomers, please subscribe, like the video, and I will see you Vicarious Eaters on the next video. Take care.